Hey there, it's new video from TheGoodocs.com, where you can get free Google Docs, templates, and guides. Today, we will learn how to merge cells in Google Sheets. To merge cells in Google Sheets, follow these steps. Click the left mouse button and drag to select the cells you want to merge. You can also click on the desired cell and then hold down the Shift key and click on another desired cell. With the cell selected, go to the Format menu at the top of the screen and point to Merge Cells. You'll see options to merge all cells, merge horizontally, or merge vertically. Merge All. This option merges all selected cells into one large cell, merge vertically. This option merges the selected cells into one vertically, I down the column. Merge Horizontally. This option merges the selected cells into one horizontally, I across the row. Select the appropriate merge option depending on how you want to merge the cells. Then click on it with the left mouse button. A pop-up message will appear asking you to confirm the merging operation. Click OK to confirm. Warning: after merging cells, only the value in the upper left cell will be saved. The contents of other cells you merge are deleted. We can also perform the merge in a faster way. To do this, select the required cells as we did before and select Merge Cells on the toolbar, or click on the down arrow next to the merge icon to see other merge options. Let's undo all previous actions this time. Warning: after you unmerge, the contents of the cells are not returned. Hundreds more guides and a lot of free Google Docs templates on TheGoodocs.com following the link below the video. Like to help share our videos to more people and subscribe to see more guides. I hope we help you. Thank you for watching.